Hello students. Now whether you're preparing for CA Foundation, Intermediate or Final or maybe for any other exam. Now the biggest challenge is everyone is always scared of one subject. Now it can be tax for someone, it can be auditing for someone, it can be maths at a foundation level. So from person to person, what you are really scared of will change. The most important part is when you are scared of a subject, we try to procrastinate that rather than studying that subject. We focus more on other subjects where we are more comfortable. Now, although we are comfortable with other subjects, but while preparing them, we still have that fear that, okay, I'm still not done with that maths. I'm still not done with law. I'm still not done with, let's say, taxation or auditing or whatever is that subject. What I would say is a simple advice to you all. Rather than procrastinating on that one subject, always remember, so, you pick that subject first. Be very smart when you are, preparing for that challenging subject for yourself. What you can do is pick up certain chapters where you believe you can still try to excel. थोड़ा training करने का, थोड़ा मेहनत करने का, उन chapters पे धीरे-धीरे अपना confidence build करने का, and then maybe from there that fear what you had towards the subject will slowly come down. This is what you need to do today according to me. If you do it, I'm sure for all other your plans, you'll actually start making more, positive efforts. So such advice, we'll keep giving you in the form of short videos. If you guys like such content, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.